Alright, so today we're going on a mission to collect more stamps for the MIT. Here's the mummy, here's Indican, and here's that guy over there. Anyways, we're going there. This time we're going to NTU Hospital, to a park, to collect the stamp, and after that we are going to Ding Tai Fung. I haven't had Ding Tai Fung, never, so we're gonna try it for the first time. Yeah, after 1 year and a half.那里面有什么东西？
有什么东西？呵？
河饼。河饼。哇哦！可以。里面。里面。里面。找不到我们，逃避，救命！逃避，逃避！来仔呢？Yes! No! Alright, so now we're going to the museum, which is right there. It's right there. Hello. So we're in main station because the battery died and I had to buy a cable, and I'm charging while I'm recording. So now we're just gonna walk, and after this we're going to eat with Kano in Taiwan. Okay, so we're in, and here's Shinji, here's the mommy, and it's Kano! 好久不见! Yay! 好久不见! Do you remember her? Maybe not. Anyways, we're going to eat. We already ordered. I don't know. I'm going to tell you how's their food here. It's said to be really good. So let's see. I hope it's good. Yes, it was delicious. It was good. It was good. It was really like Chinese food. Really good Chinese food. So I didn't know there was underground street from Zhongshan to Taipei main station, and there are more. Like in the blue line, there are also more underground streets where there are a lot of stores and all that jazz. And yeah, now we're going back home because we're tired, and Kano has to go somewhere else actually. So, bye!